You have years of experience in oil and gas engineering. You have worked on real projects, solved technical problems, coordinated with multiple disciplines, and delivered under demanding schedules. You are looking for a job change, eyeing for a better role and more challenges. You can sense that a job interview is not far away. The very interview which may land you to your dream job, fulfill your aspirations. But the moment interview approaches, something changes. You start gathering suitable and relevant material for your interview. You open one PDF, then another. You search websites, YouTube videos, social media posts, and AI-generated answers. You save links you may never open again. Your browser has multiple tabs open with different PDFs, web pages, and LLM scribbles. You collect hundreds of questions. The clock is ticking while you search for key questions. You keep moving, but without a clear direction. It is a frantic race against a deadline you cannot see. It is like running through an unfamiliar forest. There are many possible paths, but no defined route. You spend more energy deciding where to go than actually moving forward. And as the interview gets closer, the pressure increases.
But the chances are that you may get caught up in the act, lose focus, and get carried away. Without any clear direction, you may not be able to explain your engineering basis, assumptions, constraints, interfaces, and decisions properly. Because experienced engineer interviews do not merely test what you remember. They evaluate how you think. Can you explain why a particular design approach was selected? Can you defend a decision when the interviewer challenges it? Can you clearly separate your own contribution from the work performed by the entire project team? Can you handle an unexpected follow-up question without losing your composure? Unorganized preparation keeps you busy, but being busy is not the same as being ready. Now imagine preparing differently. Instead of running through scattered information, you move on a defined track. Your discipline is clear. Your target role is clear. The competencies expected from your experience level are clear. You systematically refresh relevant concepts.
You identify where your knowledge is strong and where it needs attention. You practice structured answers, not just isolated technical facts. You learn to explain the problem, the engineering basis, the approach followed, the challenges encountered, and the final result. You rehearse follow-up questions. You practice under realistic interview pressure. And gradually, your preparation changes. The frantic searching reduces. Your answers become more organized. Your thinking becomes more focused. You stop trying to study everything and begin preparing specifically for the role you want. That is the difference between random concept gathering and structured interview readiness. One exhausts your time and confidence. The other converts your existing experience into clear, demonstrable professional competence. This difference is what dedicated oil and gas engineering apps intends to bring. Concepts, structured Q&As, quizzes, interview rehearsal, technical videos, debates, and mock interview preparation, all into one organized environment.
Whether you work in process, piping, mechanical, rotating equipment, instrumentation, electrical, civil, pipeline, or materials and corrosion engineering, you can follow a preparation path aligned with your discipline. This app is not for fresh engineering graduates. It's for you who already have the experience. This app lets you organize it, practice presenting it, and prepare to demonstrate it with confidence. So, stop hunting and searching everywhere for your interview material, and instead channelize your effort. Smart preparation builds strong interviews. So before you face the panel, face the concepts. Remember, your interview performance is built before the interview day. With this app, till you allow HR to evaluate your job application, you'll be ready to give your best interview shot.